Well, that struck me as being a very satisfactory run. Were you quite happy enough?
Yes, excellent run indeed.
My country is small but under the protection of the British government. I feel that I can claim that its development has been exceptionally rapid. I'm very glad to see you in my country and hope that the pictures which you are taking will be of interest to those who see them.